At JBI, I have a few roles. They're all very exciting. I teach our evidence synthesis short courses, do methodological research, and also provide support for our synthesis software JBI summary. So there are two: the comprehensive systematic review training program and the scoping review workshop. So from CSITP, we first have an introduction of what is evidence synthesis and the introduction of the systematic review and why it is important for healthcare researchers. And then participants will learn how to develop the review question, how to do the searching, and how to screen the records, and then how to critically appraise papers. And that is really important for researchers, a critical skill that they will be able to develop during the course. And then different synthesis methods for different types of evidence, both qualitative and quantitative. And at the end of the course, participants will be able to be ready to develop their protocol. So first of all, they will learn what is scoping review, because there's a lot of confusion about the differences between scoping reviews and systematic reviews, and the legitimate indications for conducting scoping reviews. And then following a similar process, how to conduct scoping review, including, again, searching and the screening, the analysis process. So our manual is now currently being updated. It offers very comprehensive guidance on how to conduct different types of reviews. And we also got our journal, JBI Evidence Synthesis. If you are looking for a good example for your review, if you just started, that will be a good place to have a look at. We publish systematic reviews, scoping reviews, and protocols, and also methodological papers. We also have multiple social media channels. So for example, the YouTube channel posts a lot of webinars and also short videos to explain basic concepts and methods.